Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making fried chicken, but I'm using oyster mushrooms. So yes guys, we're gonna jump straight into this video. And oh, this is my first oyster fried mushroom video for my YouTube channel. So yes, so we're gonna get started. But before we start, guys, just want to let you know that I rinse my mushrooms in some lemon water, because I don't know if you all do that, but me do it. Me like the smell, the aroma, me like the taste we give. So I always rinse it in a lemon water. So we're gonna get started, guys. And then mushroom are big and fat and juicy, you know, look guys. Yes. And you know the Schweppes are ready. Make sure your hands them clean, because you're gonna need them for your batter and dip and all of that. I won't be using any breadcrumbs for this recipe, but if you want to coat them in breadcrumbs, feel free to go ahead and do so. Right, so all right then guys, so the same spices I'm gonna use for the dry ingredients, I'm gonna use it for the wet ingredients. And I don't have any Cajun seasoner. No, I mean I have no all-purpose vegan season. I run out and I forget to buy, so we're just gonna use what we have, right? Yes. So I'm gonna add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, because me like my spice. Teaspoon of onion powder. In the flour, I'm using spelt flour. And I use also some half teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt, pink salt. Yes. And for the dry ingredients, I'm using some unsweetened plant-based almond milk, because I'm gonna dip them in some milk. Yes. And we're gonna combine all the seasoning together, guys, for the dry ingredients. And we're gonna make this batter. And I'm also gonna add in some chopped garlic. Yes. And we're gonna make the batter. I don't want the batter too runny, and I don't want it too hard, if you understand what I mean, right? So I'm using milk instead of water. I'm using milk. And then we're gonna mix it. So when you add in the milk, guys, make sure you add it like small amount of time, because you don't want the batter spoil. So you just add it little. Yeah, this is buttermilk. This is milk. Yeah, buttermilk. Oyster mushrooms. Right, oyster mushrooms. Replace the chicken. Yes, man. It's nice. So, yeah, I'm just going to have it with some potato. So, I'm going to add in more milk in there. Just for the butter. So, we're going to go ahead, guys, and we're going to mix this, right? Guys, me make the batter, and this is the consistency. You don't want it too runny, and you don't want it too thick. And these little clumps is garlic, right? It's not clumps. So what we're gonna do now, guys, you're just gonna use one hand. So you're gonna dip the mushroom in the butter. Then you're gonna shake off any excess amount of butter on there. You're gonna coat them twice. Then you're gonna put in the flour. Make sure it's all coated, and say make sure your hand them clean. You just want to do them one at a time, guys. Then you're gonna place it back in the butter, because you want it crispy and nice. Yes. Then you're gonna put it back in the dry. before you fry it. So you're gonna repeat this process right through. That said, make sure your hand clean. Okay, you don't want no dirty hand. Even if you know you're going to eat your eat it, right? You want it to clean. So yes, so we're gonna continue. And we're gonna, it's not a lot of mushrooms, guys, so that's all right. It's not a lot. So we're gonna repeat this process, and we're gonna take you along over to the stove where we're gonna fry. Over here, guys, we got my pot on, waiting for it to hot. So while we're gonna go ahead and wait for this, then we're gonna get everything ready. So guys, you don't want your oil too hot, and you don't want it cool, you understand? You want it medium. We're gonna try it, guys, to see, yeah, if it's hot. So we're gonna put mushrooms in now. See, guys, it's so coated. So we're gonna put them in. Wow, right temperature. I don't want to put too much in one go. It looks so juicy, man. Guys, make sure you be careful of the oil. So that's why you don't want it to be too hot. So juicy. Alright, so we're gonna allow these to fry. And then when we're ready to flip them, guys, then I'm gonna show you that bit. So yeah, we're gonna allow it to fry now. It looks juicy, me not lie. Listen, I'm gonna have this with some fries. I don't know, maybe. I'll see. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna flip these mushrooms over. They look so good, guys. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Voila. Yeah. This is all of the mushrooms, guys. Not a lot. So when they're fried, guys, we're going to put them on some paper towels to get rid of the excess oil from the mushrooms. So I let them fry on one side 3 to 4 minutes before I flip them to the other side for 3 to 4 minutes. So yes, we're going to allow the other side to cook 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to take them out. So I'm going to remove these from the top now, guys, and put it on the paper towel, as I said before. Look how juicy they look. If you want your kids to stop eating meat, guys, you just trick them with this and tell them it's chicken. Wow. Look at that. So juicy. Okay. So guys, here you have it. Spicy Vegan fried oyster mushrooms Oh my gosh, guys, it tastes so good, so delicious. I ain't gonna lie, it's got the spice. Oh, it tastes good. So guys, if you wanna, this is just a simple and easy recipe. Substitute meat. You can use mushroom to, you know, create your fried chicken, whatever you want. If you want to fry it, barbecue, whatever you want to do it, guys, put in the oven, bake, whatever you want to do, go ahead and do so. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Thanks to each and every one of you who subscribe to my YouTube channel. I appreciate the love. I'm grateful. So guys, I'm going to big up on a nice self. If you make this recipe, guys, just drop me a comment down below and let me know. Alright guys, so until then guys, I'm going to big up on yourself. I'm going to see you in my next video. I'm going to stay safe and eat healthy. Health is wealth, right? Until then, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.